Welcome to the Online School of Theosophy, which is organized by the Theosophical Society in America and the Crotona Institute of Theosophy. This is the first video for our course Introduction to Theosophy, and today we are going to explore what the word theosophy means. What do we mean when we say theosophy? This is a word that, although it's not necessarily very well known in the world, it has a long and rich history. It was actually created at the beginning of the Common Era by a group of Greek philosophers that are known to us as Neoplatonists. These philosophers were interested in the philosophy of Plato, of Pythagoras, and they were very influential in science, in religion, in philosophy. It was among this group that the word theosophy, as I said, was created, and it comes from two Greek words. You may not know theosophy, the word, but you may know two different terms that have these Greek roots. Like, for example, theology, you have the word theos there. That means the divine. Now, the word theos, when used by the Greeks, because the Greeks were polytheists, they didn't really mean a God, one or the one God, they meant a God. So the word theos in their context can be translated like a God, a particular God. And then we have, for example, the word philosophy. At the end of the word philosophy, we see the same as in theosophy at the end. That comes from the Greek sophia, which can be translated as wisdom. So the word theosophia or theosophy can be translated in different ways, and it was actually used with different meanings. For example, among the Neoplatonists, some of them refer to theosophy as the wisdom that the gods have, a wisdom that belongs to the gods. Remember, some of the gods in the Greek mythology were similar to the idea of angels in Christianity, for example. And the angels or the gods were in charge of basically running the cosmos and helping in the functioning and the creation of planets, of life, in the process of evolution, although the idea of evolution was not openly known at the time, but it was known in the mystery schools that were part of the more esoteric movements in Greece, in Rome, in Egypt. But in any case, one of the translations would be that wisdom that belongs to the gods. Now, some of the Greeks would say that in meditation or by means of rituals, they could contact some of these gods, and therefore the gods could come and give them information, give them knowledge. And this is also how the word theosophy was used, is some information that comes from the gods. Now, another way of translating this would be a wisdom about things that are divine. So when a person was wise in things that belong to what today call spirituality, then that person was thought to be a theosophos. Theosophos was the Greek version for what today we call theosophist. So you see, theosophia has to do with wisdom and with the divine realm. Now, the word was used in several contexts as the centuries went by. Sometimes the word was used to refer to spiritual philosophies, the theosophy of the Jewish people for the Kabbalah, for example, or the theosophy of Islam for some Sufi teachings, for example. And within Christianity, in the early centuries of the Common Era, sometimes it was used as a synonym for theology. Now you see, The word theology comes from theos and also from logos. Now, logos means knowledge. And there is a difference between knowledge and wisdom. You see, we have theosophia or theologos. Sophia is wisdom, logos is knowledge. So when talking about theosophy, we normally refer more to a state of wisdom rather than a state of knowledge. But we will see that as the talk goes by. Now, during the Renaissance, in the 17th century, perhaps starting in the 16th century, this word was used by a group of Christian philosophers, Christian religious philosophers, let's call them. Jacob Boehme was one of the most famous among them. And they used the word theosophy to refer to this kind of wisdom that came to them by means of God's grace. Of course, within the Christian tradition, there is the idea of one God, so theosophy would be translated as the wisdom of God. And they used to call those who had that wisdom given to them by God theosophers. That's how they refer to what today we call a theosophist. So from this point of view, prophets were theosophers, were people who acquire certain knowledge coming from God, or perhaps sometimes from some of the angels. So this was in the 16th, 17th, 18th century. The word was relatively well known among the educated classes that were interested in religious philosophy. Now, in the 19th century, the word had fallen more into falling out of the memory of most of the population. And it was at the end of the 19th century that Blavatsky, who was the founder of the Theosophical Society, along with a group of people gathered around her, that when they decided to create this organization that today we know as the Theosophical Society, they chose the word theosophy to represent what they wanted to do, what they wanted to present to the world. And later on in her book, The Key to Theosophy, Blavatsky explained that she saw the Theosophical Society as a reincarnation of the movement that the Neoplatonists belonged to. She said what the Theosophical Society is trying to do today is similar in many ways to what the Neoplatonists were doing at the beginning of the Common Era. So she saw a connection between the modern theosophical movement and the Neoplatonic theosophical movement. Of course, how they got to that word, there is the story in the Theosophical Society that they were looking in dictionaries and encyclopedias to choose the right term, and then they recognized that theosophy was the word that could better describe what they wanted to do. But Blavatsky, before founding the Theosophical Society, had written a letter where she said, I learned my theosophy from my masters. So she already knew this term and was already identifying herself to it. So in the theosophical tradition, the word theosophy is used in a more general way as divine wisdom. So this is how you will see it applied. Divine wisdom, which means that theosophy is about wisdom and not knowledge, as we said. The essence of theosophy is not the accumulation of knowledge, but the development of wisdom. Now, what kind of wisdom are we talking about? It's not the wisdom that we acquired by experience. Sometimes we can say in regular language, when a person has been in a field for a long time, that person may develop a certain wisdom in that field because of the experience, the exposure, etc. But we are talking about a wisdom that is not the result of knowledge, of culture, of experience, which are all conditioned, they are all limited, we are talking about a divine wisdom. And in the theosophical view, the divine is not outside the human being. The divine is something that interpenetrates the whole cosmos. We are all expressions of the divine. So our inner nature is a divine nature. So the idea of theosophy as divine wisdom is the endeavor to awaken that innate wisdom, divine wisdom that is in each of us. You know, in the theosophical view, it is said that there is a principle in us that sometimes is described with the Sanskrit words buddhi. This comes from the same root as the Buddha comes, the word Buddha, which means enlightenment or awakening. The idea is that within us is the seed of enlightenment, the seed of awakening, is the seed of wisdom, of divine wisdom. And the whole aim of the theosophical movement essentially is to be able to awaken that divine wisdom in each of us. So this would be the essential meaning of the term theosophy. Now, if you read the theosophical literature, you will see that the term is used in other ways too. So what I was describing is theosophy as a state of consciousness. You know, let us say first is theosophy as a state of consciousness. A state of consciousness which you can reach at any moment in which you are in touch with your divine nature, with your innate wisdom. So we are a theosophist, a true theosophist, when we are being wise. There are human beings that have awakened the wisdom principle so fully that wisdom never leaves them. So these are enlightened beings. In most of us, we may have moments in which we have the inspiration from our divine nature. At those moments, we are a true theosophist. You know, the word theosophist is used today sometimes to describe members of the Theosophical Society. Now, there is a difference between a member of the Theosophical Society that may or may not be wise and a real theosophist. Members of the Theosophical Society or earnest members aspire to become theosophists, to become people that are wise, that have this divine wisdom, not wise at the level of knowledge, as we said, but wise at the level of perceiving things as they are, perceiving truth, developing self-knowledge. So this is, as I say, this is the primary meaning of theosophy. But then the word is used by derivation in other means, in other ways. For example, we use theosophy to refer to the teachings. I'm studying theosophy, for example. So a second meaning is theosophy as a body of teachings. Now there is a clear difference between perceiving truth and studying the descriptions about truth. For example, if you never tasted a particular food, I can describe to you how it tastes, and you may know about the food. You may be, if you really pay attention to how I describe it and you repeat it in the, accurately, you may be able to express, to share with others how this food tastes. But until you taste the food, you really don't know what the taste is. So there is a difference between the experience and the description of the experience. And words are always limited to share even the meaning of the experience. You know, if you don't know what sweet is, how would somebody explain to you what sweet is if you only know the flavors of, bitterness or any of the other flavors? Well, perhaps the person would say, it's not bitter, it's not this, it's not that, but it's not really easy to convey what sweetness is unless you have tasted that. Well, something similar happens with truth. Unfortunately, in humanity, we tend to confuse truth and the description of truth. But in the Theosophical Society, the motto of the Theosophical Society is, well, it is in Sanskrit, Satyam Nasti Paro Dharma, that if we translate it, it can be translated in different ways, but the gist of it is that no spiritual teaching can be higher than truth. Or another way to say it, truth is always beyond any spiritual teaching. And this is essential in the theosophical endeavor. If you think that theosophy is a body of knowledge and that's it, then you can become a theosophist by becoming an expert in that. But as sometimes it is said, a philosopher, an expert in Buddhism, is not a Buddha. You know, there is a difference between the Buddha and a philosopher that studies Buddhism. So same thing with knowing the theosophical teachings and actually perceiving truth in a direct way. Now the teachings are given because they are like a map. It's not that they are completely useless, otherwise they would not be given. They are like a map. Using the teachings, we can learn and be guided and have this map for this inner exploration. Without the map, the exploration is longer, more confused. We may fall into dangerous regions. The map is very important, but the map is not the place. So, in a secondary way, theosophy means this body of teachings. Now, when referring to the body of teachings, there are also two different ways of applying the word theosophy. If we talk about the body of teachings that were given by members of the Theosophical Society, we call that modern theosophy. So the teachings given by members of the Theosophical Society or leaders of the Theosophical Society, like Blavatsky and Besant and Leadbeater and many others, that body of teachings is called modern theosophy. But of course, in the Theosophical Society, we don't claim that the only people that have ever touched this divine inherent wisdom that is in all of us were members of the Theosophical Society. Obviously, the world doesn't start with the Theosophical Society, and we can see enlightened beings across the borders, in all cultures, in different religions. Every serious religion has produced wise people. So wherever there is a person that gets in touch with the divine wisdom that is in all of us, that person is a theosophist, whether the Theosophical Society is there or not. So there is any teachings that come from that place of divine wisdom is a theosophical teaching. So we can say that there is the modern theosophy that came through the members of the Theosophical Society, or there is a kind of universal theosophy that came from any wise person. You know. So there is that distinction also. When talking about modern theosophy, many times it is used with capital T, and when talking about this more universal theosophy, that is used with a lowercase t. The idea is to differentiate because there is, of course, differences of language. This is another important aspect of the theosophical teachings, and this is that when you have an experience, there are many ways to describe that experience. And all the ways can be correct, and they can be quite different. For some people, the same experience, some aspects of that experience may be more important than for other people. For other people, maybe other aspects of the experience is important. How do you describe being part of a family? Some people would emphasize some aspects that are important for him or her, and other people other aspects. So whenever there is a true perception of truth, and that truth is expressed, the expression is bound to be different because it depends on the person's qualities and characteristics. Even the facts may be different because they are talking about different aspects of truth. And because words are always limited, even when talking about a particular aspect of truth, we can be talking in ways that seem to be contradictory. This is always a difficulty, but as we grow more spiritually mature, we start realizing that this gives great freedom. For example, if a few people tasted sweetness, they may describe it as not being, this, and another person may describe it as not being that. Somebody may say it's not bitter and develop a whole description in connection to bitterness, and another person says it's not salty. So if you see the two descriptions of what sweetness is, these two descriptions may seem to contradict each other. There is no place where they touch each other. But this is because there are different aspects of what sweetness is or is not. So you will see that the language in different theosophies, if they really have an inner perception, is many times different. Now, if what I am saying has been gathered from books, I will use the same language than the books that I read use, and therefore there can be a consistency in studying a text and repeating a text. There is a consistency, but not so much when we are talking about direct experience. However, all the different experiences will share the same spirit. And of course, the spirit of an approach, of a teaching, is not something that is visible. It's something that our intuition, little by little, we begin to develop this ability to sense the spirit of the teaching. Where is the teaching going? And as we do that, we start recognizing the commonality behind different expressions of theosophy. Because we start perceiving that more abstract aspect, we begin to perceive an archetypal, so to say, quality that is behind the descriptions. And when that happens, that means that we are beginning to touch truth, the truth that is behind the words. If we only see the words, we only see differences. When we can see through the words, we start perceiving that more abstract commonality. And this is very important in the theosophical aim, or one of the theosophical goals, as we are going to see. So we could say, to summarize, that we have theosophy, the Theosophia, let us keep it in Greek, which is theosophy as a state of consciousness, this divine wisdom. And then we have the theosophical teachings. This is another of the meanings how theosophy is used, theosophical teachings, which can be used for modern theosophy with capital T, and or it could be, let's call it a universal theosophy with lowercase t. So those are the different meanings that you will see in theosophical literature. These are meanings that are used frequently within modern theosophy. So let us now look at the qualities of these theosophical teachings. Why were they presented? At that particular time in the world, what was the aim? This is important to understand. So something that becomes evident when we start reading the theosophical teachings, modern theosophy, is that the teachings present a holistic worldview. Holistic, means the totality, or looking from different perspectives, trying to be embracing differences, embracing and subtleties, nuances, but also it's trying to look at an understanding that can integrate different ways of looking at things. So, for example, in humanity, there are three main ways in which we have tried to make sense of the world. One of them is the religious way. We have all religions that explain what reality is in one way or the other. Then there is the philosophical avenue to try to understand the world. And philosophy maybe in some aspects may touch religion, and in some aspects is different. Religion is normally based on some kind of divine revelation, is based on certain beliefs. Philosophy is more based on our rational powers trying to work on the conceptual level. So we have religion, philosophy, and we also have science. Science is a way of looking at the world through experimentation, and the basic means of information are our senses, or the extension of the senses, which is the scientific technology. So scientists don't engage, strictly speaking, they don't engage too much in beliefs or in philosophical discussions or speculations. So we have religion, philosophy, and science. In ancient traditions, ancient cultures, there was not necessarily a sharp distinction between the three. There was a single approach that had some religious elements, philosophical elements, and some scientific elements in the sense of some proto-science, some kind of experimentation, even if it is very simple, this works, you try, this doesn't work. Of course, there was no science, formal science, at least that we know about, because we know very little of human history. But in any case, in people's minds, there was not this idea that religion is in one box and philosophy in another box and science in another box. As time went on and these three avenues of knowledge began to specialize, then they grew more and more separate from each other. At the beginning, when science was just developing in Europe, the scientists were philosophers. They were called natural philosophers. But then as science, as I said, began to be more and more specialized, then there was a clear difference between science and philosophy. So the theosophical teachings claim to bring an approach that can bridge the gap that is right now between science, philosophy, and religion. Because you can see what happens when a person identifies himself or herself as merely religious. It's very easy to feel that science is threatening your beliefs, or that philosophy is also questioning your beliefs. So if we have a only religious view of the world, it's a view that is lopsided, and it's a view that is not particularly good to develop or to awaken your inner wisdom. Same thing with scientists. If a person is a scientist and is materialistic and only looks at the world in terms of the matter and whatever is perceivable through the senses, that also gives you a view that is not healthy. And same with philosophy. We see philosophy may become just a rather empty speculation that has very little to do with life, with reality. So what the theosophical teachings claim is that we need to integrate these three points of view. The three of them complement each other. And for this reason, the Theosophical Society was the first organization. The Theosophical Society was founded in 1875, at the end of the 19th century. And it was the first organization to engage in a science and spirituality interface in a more or less systematic way. The first books on science and spirituality were written by theosophists. Actually, one of the main works of Blavatsky, who was one of the founders of the Theosophical Society, The Secret Doctrine, the subtitle is The Synthesis of Science, Religion, and Philosophy. So this was a very conscious aim in the theosophical teachings to bridge the three of them. And you can see that in modern theosophy. You will see that in modern theosophy there is an approach that is rational, but is not just intellectual. An approach that is rational, but is interested in spirituality. But it's not that vague spirituality that is, against logic and reason. And this, let's say, philosophical approach to spirituality is also based on experimentation. So you see the three things may be brought together. So Blavatsky claimed that there are three aspects of the theosophical teachings that at the beginning she met some enlightened beings, Indo-Tibetan yogis, let's call them, who trained her. They taught her more or less what we today know as the esoteric philosophy. But basically, more than that, what Blavatsky says is that they trained her for her to awaken this wisdom within herself. So she says, everything that I write about has not been taught to me through books or through verbal communication. It was all reached in a state of consciousness, in meditation, in which these things become evident, where we see these things, we see truth. Just as Carl Jung talked about a collective unconscious as being a dimension or something in the psyche that we all draw information from, whether we know it or not. And this information seems to be pretty similar in different cultures and at different times. So there is a dimension in which we all can perceive or get some information that is similar. So what Blavatsky is postulating is that there is also what perhaps we could call a transmental dimension, which is the dimension of truth. Any person that can raise his or her consciousness to that dimension will realize certain things which are aspects of the truth. And because of that, there is a possibility of having similar realizations in different cultures and at different times. So Blavatsky claimed that at the beginning of human evolution, there was only one religion. She called it the wisdom religion. And this wisdom religion was the expression of this wisdom that some human beings had attained. And pretty much the whole of humanity held a similar view about the nature of human beings and the universe. But of course, as humanity diversifies, those views begin to be expressed in different languages. They begin to address the problems of that particular community, the interests of that particular community. And little by little, you begin to form different religions that are more in tune with the idiosyncrasy of that particular group of people, with their fears and their desires and their aspirations. Or many times religious teachings were trying to address problems that particular community had or that particular environment had. So as time went on, the different religions take their own identity, and little by little they begin to be different. Of course, it's not that all religions started at the same time, but there is an underlying, according to Blavatsky, an underlying wisdom which all spiritual teachers like the Buddha, Jesus, Krishna, etc., all of them are aware of the same truth. But then when they express this in their particular community, as I was saying, the aspects that are emphasized will depend on what that particular community needs. So in all religious teachings, there are eternal truths, and there are also temporal aspects of the teachings that were meaningful for that time, for that community. Then, as these teachings are passed on from generation to generation, when the theosophist, the enlightened person, is gone, and this has to be passed on by people who, even though sincere, may not share the same wisdom, then naturally mistakes may creep in and superstitions develop. There are always people who want to manipulate the religious teachings as a form of power. So then we get to the present day, where within all religions there are eternal truths, and there are also some things that become more like the smoke that is covering the flame of truth. So part of what the Theosophical Society wants to promote is trying to find those eternal truths that are behind all religions. And for this reason, again, the Theosophical Society was one of the first, if not the first organization in doing a systematic comparative religion, interfaith study. Of course, in Europe, the field of comparative religion was being developed pretty much at the same time as the Theosophical Society was founded, but the aims were completely different. In the Theosophical approach, what we are more interested in is in discovering the commonalities, discovering the eternal truths that are behind the different religions, so that we can feel also that we are not so different. Of course, religions are different. Of course, the expressions are different. Also, religions need to be different because we are different. Some people may need to be devotional, some people are more intellectual, some people are more bent to action and service, and religions, they all have this diversity that is very important. The problem comes when we think that religions are different paths that never touch and that lead us to different places. In the Theosophical view, these are different paths that lead us to the same place. If we can discover the commonalities and appreciate the differences, then the quarrels between religions would be diminished drastically. In the current interfaith approach and the scholarly comparative religion, normally they still emphasize differences, because each scholar wants to say why my religion, my field of study is special, is better than yours, or is different from yours. You see, if you have to publish papers, it doesn't pay to say, yes, this is the same as you. Well, then why do you study this? From the scholarly point of view. So the approaches are quite different. But the Theosophical Society from the very beginning tried to encourage people to look for the commonalities, and so that we can learn from all religions and adapt them to our own path. So the wisdom religion is one aspect of the teachings that Blavatsky is bringing. Then there is another aspect that she called the occult science, because she claimed all these teachings don't come from people that are just making this up. She says when people, what today we may call yogis, enlightened beings, when a human being reaches that state and is able to consciously enter into the realm of truth, that person can, let's say, research into truth. That person can look and see how nature works in one way or the other. Even in our modern times, Einstein, he discovered certain truths, not by experiment, not by, working on what somebody else had said. Of course, he had the background of all scientists, but he went into some kind of meditation that, we call it thought experiment, and he touched the realm of truth, at least in the aspect in which he was interested, and he could perceive, he could realize certain laws of nature that came just from his meditation. It didn't come from experiments. So in similar ways, spiritual people can touch spiritual truths, not necessarily physical truths, as Einstein did. So the idea is that from this develops a kind of science. A science that Blavatsky says is similar to the regular science. She says all these teachings are developed by these adepts, she called them. They would research into some aspect of truth, and then they would compare what they found to what other adepts found. And they would compare that, and they would go and look again. And therefore, little by little, they developed this wisdom that they call the occult science, that is produced by direct experience, just as the regular science is. Now they call it occult because the word occult comes from occultus, in Latin, that means hidden. So this is a science that is hidden. It's not readily available to any regular human being. But this science can talk about non-material aspects of reality, which is a problem that we have with our current science that can only work with the physical aspect of reality. So the wisdom religion, the occult science, and a third aspect of the theosophical teachings is what Blavatsky called the esoteric philosophy. So you see we have religion, science, and philosophy there. The esoteric philosophy is this view of the universe, the purpose of life, the nature of human beings, the aim of life. Is there any aim, any purpose for which we are alive? What is the reason why, or what is it to be a good human being? What is the right action? All this is part of philosophy, but it's not a philosophy, again, I'm going to develop that a little more. It's a philosophy that comes from this direct experience that we were talking about. So let's look a little more at this. Would we say that theosophy is a religion? Would we say it is a philosophy or it is a science? Well, it has elements of the three of them, but it's none of them. For example, it's not a science in the regular sense. It is a science in the sense that the origin of the theosophical teachings come from experimentation, from these people that can access truth. Of course, we may not be able to do this right now, because since the means to discover these truths are spiritual means that are dormant in most of us, that is not really available for us unless we start leading the kind of life that little by little will awaken those spiritual senses. This is not too different from science. How many of you have actually seen an atom or a bacteria? Let's say a photon. It's only a reduced number of scientists who have gone through a certain training and are dedicated their life to that task, that they know about this. Then they tell you about that, and we trust them and we take it. Some of the things they say, later on they discover they were wrong, and we were trusting scientific teachings that were not true. But that is something that, happens. Science keeps correcting itself. So in a similar way, until we awaken all this inner wisdom, we take what these enlightened beings say, and we try to verify the aspects that we can verify. There are many aspects. Maybe we cannot verify how the planet was formed with the aid of celestial beings, but we can verify things in our daily life that has to do with our own nature, that has to do with how we work, what is the purpose of life, etc. So there is a scientific element in theosophy, but it's not a science in the regular sense of the word. Is it a philosophy? Well, philosophy in the modern term is something that comes out of the rational powers of the philosopher. Basically, the philosopher sits down, says, why is there evil in the world? And starts thinking about it. And if the philosopher is smart, will find clever ways of explaining this. So we have different philosophies, many of which may contradict each other, because they come out of the ingenuity of the philosopher. The theosophical teachings, as we say, they didn't come from Blavatsky, as a regular philosopher beginning to play with ideas and try to find ingenious ways of explaining reality. They come from a direct perception, from the theosophia that we were talking about. So it's not, although many of the theosophical teachings are philosophical in nature, theosophy is not a philosophy in that sense of being speculative. Now, it's then a religion. Religions also claim to have knowledge from God, and, this knowledge is a revelation. But again, theosophy is not quite like that. Even though this knowledge comes from the divine aspect of each one of us, it's not offered as a revelation that we have to believe in. You have to take it because Blavatsky said it. The Theosophical Society doesn't rely on particular ceremonies or priests or faith for the spiritual development. All these so-called revelations, Blavatsky and all theosophists after her, they all say, this is my perception of truth. Words are always limited. When we try to express this, we may not express it correctly. You have to do your work. You have to take this and see what you can perceive. So it's not a religion, because belief is not part of the theosophical approach. So you see that although the theosophical teachings have religious, philosophical, and scientific elements, they cannot be said to belong to any of these particular lines. But precisely because of this, it can be offered, the theosophical approach can be offered as a synthesis, as an approach that can bridge the three of them. And the synthesis is not a mere agglomeration of a little of science, a little of philosophy, a little of religion. Some people criticize the theosophical teaching, saying that it's a syncretism. Syncretism means this, it's like a salad. You bring different elements and you try to make them fit. That is not how Blavatsky and the theosophists claim that these teachings came about. What they are saying is there is a perception of truth, there is a pattern. Once we have this pattern, then we can see how all the different elements fit within that pattern. So rather than a syncretism that is formed by gathering different fragments, this is more like the archetypal pattern in which all the different elements can fit. And this is what Blavatsky tried to do in her writings, especially in The Secret Doctrine. She says, I'm not trying to simply teach esoteric philosophy. I'm trying to show how all religions and philosophies that are serious, they all came from this pattern. So in order to show that, I will bring instances constantly of different religions and philosophies that talked about this, and I will show you how they fit in an overall synthetic view of reality. So in her writings, you find that she brings Buddhist concepts, Hindus, Christian, Chinese, Jewish, etc., Egyptian. But what she's doing this to show you, you see, all these traditions can be brought together in this way. It's not that she was drawing from the traditions, according to what she claimed and that many theosophists believe. So rather than a syncretism, what the theosophical teachings claim to present is a synthesis. So just as the white light is the synthesis of all the colors, and it's not just a mixture of a little green, a little yellow, a little blue, but it's a different color, white. In a similar way, the theosophical teachings present a synthesis that is not just the collection of the fragments. So this is an introduction to the idea of theosophy that you can keep exploring, because theosophy as a term and as a discipline is very rich, and we hope that with this first talk we have piqued your curiosity and inspired you to look for deeper meanings.